are most forex traders mostly flexing online?
They are flexing because they have the money to flex.
Mm-hmm. They have the money made through forex trading or something else.
If a forex trader has money, it is only normal for them to flex it online. And if a forex trader is claiming to have money, obviously it's from forex trading.
Obviously, it's from forex trading. No, there are lots of forex traders that does something else, that even do something more than forex trading, but they all claim, and then in quotes, that
Mm.
it is forex trading that gives them this money.
Actually, forex trading gives a lot of money,
Mm-hmm.
but that
No
doesn't.
doubt.
Yeah, no doubt. But that doesn't mean one should stay solo with forex trading. I won't criticize anybody that has an alternative source of income, because personally, I have other businesses that I venture into too. But forex being my primary profession, you understand?
I am okay. Sorry to cut you short there.
Yeah.
I am not in disagreement that you have to just do only forex trading. What I'm saying is some people do forex trading and they're into other stuffs that are not seen, that are not even legal. Do you get? And then they claim, in quotes, they are doing forex trade, and then you see them flaunting, flexing online. That's like the point I'm trying to make. You can
Oh,
do other businesses, of course, as a forex trader.
the only thing I can say is wrong with people flexing online, personal opinion rather,
Okay.
is when they do it in excess, it makes other people feel like it's forex that easy. It's forex that simple that this person just venture into, and but real forex actually take years to manifest in someone's life. Before you can actually start spending freely, lavishly as a forex trader, it will take you years.
Mm-hmm.
To take you years. But from your question and how you try to expatiate on that particular topic, I do get that there are some people who just use forex as a camouflage, right?
Mm.
They just use the name as a camouflage while they are still doing other business. But if person saying be forex trader, you go call them forex
Who are
trader.
we to
Well,
say you're not a forex trader?
who is we to say otherwise?
The reason for this question is because most forex traders are always posting how they flex, the traveling, touring, and all of that. They make forex trading seem like it is a very, very easy task and anybody can just do it because of the way they get to flaunt wealth. Even most of this wealth, or some of them rather, are not even made through forex trading. Okay,
So you
so the reason
understand?
for that question is, when you see these forex traders online flexing, flaunting their money, and maybe they just started, or maybe years into forex, they just make other forex traders, other people feel like maybe you don't know what you're doing, or forex traders are just coming up, feel like you are not yet there yet. So let me just show you that me, I'm here before you. Do you get? And maybe some people even feel like they're not even doing enough for themselves. Do you get?
I get you perfectly, but I can't actually blame people who indulge in such strategies to promote themselves, because forex traders showing excessive wealth online is actually a promotional strategy
Okay.
to promote mentorship, whereby to bring people to come and learn, bring investors to give them money to trade. It's actually a promotional strategy. But I won't blame people like that. The reason why such strategy has been working for a very long time now is Nigerians, they like, let me not say Nigerians, let's just say people, they like colorful things. They like style. Now imagine someone without a Lamborghini stands on the stage and be like, "Let me show you guys how to trade the forex market."
Yeah.
They will not give the guy a listening ear. But if someone that doesn't know anything about forex just brings a car to the stage and be like, "Let me show you guys how to do this thing," everybody just wants to follow, probably because of the colorful things the guy has to show and all that. So that's why such strategy is actually working for forex influencers. Let me call them forex influencers.
Are there forex influencers?
Yeah,
I
because
thought we just call them forex traders.
I'll call some of them forex influencers. Yeah, because I won't lie, the real forex traders will not even have the time to show excessive,
Be right, because they are
like
busy.
exactly. Because this, like in my previous episode, right? My guest was like, forex can make you crazy. Is that crazy? Forex requires work. It requires time, effort. That's why personally I used to say that forex traders should not even have time for relationship, because is
Why
that
not?
no, is that taxing? That's what I mean.
Okay, that takes me to my next question.
Okay.
Why are traders afraid to post withdrawal screenshots?
Maybe that question should be for traders will not really get what's it called? We're not really sure of what they are doing, which we actually have lots of them out there. Because personally, regardless of how small I withdraw, sometimes I do put it on my status.
Or
Sometimes I
maybe it's
just
just cho and they're not actually making that money.
let's go to the next question.
No, we need to settle this one. That is what I'm here for. Like I said, I came prepared.
Okay, fine. You know, it's actually easy to claim you make money than actually making the money.
Yes.
That one is there. So not everybody that's actually into Forex can boast of making money. Some people will tell you, I made $10,000, $50,000. It's easier to say than to actually show withdrawal processing slips or screenshots
We get it now.
you get. So that's why people talk about how much they make and not be able to talk about how much they've actually withdrawn. Because instead of saying, guys, I just made this amount of money, guys, let me show you how I made withdrawal of $50,000,
Yeah.
$20,000 from the processing of the withdrawal to the execution to disbursement and all that. I think such information is lacking. And from traders that you will not see such information from are actually traders who, should I say, trading is not their primary source of income.
So now you understand my first question. Well, I can see you were trying to avoid this question. Let me help you out here. So my next question is...
I feel like you're turning me against myself.
No, that's not what's happening here actually.
Okay.
This particular question, I wasn't really convinced with the response that Odogwu first gave, but we move. How is Forex different from gambling?
No. That one is a no-go area, sir. I usually don't like it when people compare Forex trading to gambling.
Okay.
Because it's different. Like, the number one difference is this. You don't ever see anybody, any gambler, go through this kind of stress. Like, what you're seeing on your screen now, what I'm showing you.
Putting in money or something, hoping that the money doubles over time. So
Hold on.
what is gambling? What's Forex trading?
Okay, hold on. So you can see the chart on your screen, right?
Yeah.
Guys, let me show you guys chart. You can see this. This is called a Forex trading chart. So now, before we make any trading decision like this, we go through what we call technical analysis or fundamental analysis. Okay. We even have sentiment analysis. There are many ways we see the market before we decide to make a particular trading decision. So because we research based on technical means and fundamental means to come up with a trading decision, you cannot actually, that alone has already rubbished the term gambling in Forex. Because, for example, now, people that do gamble, let's say sporty or maybe all those other football betting and stuff, right? You can easily see, even someone that doesn't know anything about football can easily say, because Man U beat Chelsea last week, let's say maybe Chelsea will try to retaliate.
But you try to say Forex traders don't think like that. You don't think of the fact that, oh, I can just put let's say 500K, for example.
No, we don't work based on probability. We work with analysis.
All Forex traders?
Yeah. All experienced Forex traders.
Okay, how about the inexperienced ones?
And the inexperienced ones are the ones that will just come and be like, my mind, they tell me my buy. My mind, they tell me my sell.
Okay.
So, and people don't want to give time to learn Forex trading. That's another reason why we have a lot of inexperienced traders out there. When you tell someone to sacrifice a year or 2 years to learn, they will not want to do it. Why? Because, you know, the situation of the country is not actually funny. Everybody is actually in need of money. Everybody needs a breakthrough.
The fast route to making the money.
They need a breakthrough, right? So I won't actually blame those. But if you want to make money in Forex, you just have to stay calm, learn it over time. You don't control the market. You don't force the market to give you profit. You have to, first of all, prove you are worth the profit that the market can offer, can give out. Once you've proven yourself that you are worth it, then no matter how small, you'll be getting your profit.
Okay,
so Forex and gambling,
they're not in line. He has clarified that. Okay, how about Forex traders that still do betting?
Do you know
that does, what are all those betting apps? I can't
Sporty,
name. Okay,
there
are a few of them.
Okay, now let's not go back to what you have said before, and let's not contradict you.
Okay.
From the beginning, you said some traders still venture in other things and still claim to come from Forex.
Okay.
And I said it's actually okay for for forex traders to be able to do other things. So you can be a forex trader and be a gambler as a side on this other side, or as a side hustle. You can be gambling on the side. That is just your own. Nobody can control that.
Okay.
But forex on its own, forex trading is a profession. So it can't be considered gambling, or it can't even be compared to gambling.
Okay.